If you are just joining, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stories. Unleash the Beast, Chapter 6. The first lesson. By the time Ethan scrambled down from the attic, the beast was already prowling the dimly lit hallway. Its form was less shifting now, long limbs, hunched shoulders, and claws that clicked faintly on the wooden floor. It moved like a shadow that had learned how to hunt, and it had found Peter. Peter was the youngest in the orphanage, small for his 8 years, with a habit of clutching the sleeves of his sweater when he was nervous. He stood frozen at the end of the corridor, his wide eyes locked on the thing advancing toward him. Ethan's voice ripped from his throat before he could think. "Stop! Don't hurt him!" The beast turned its head slowly, regarding Ethan as if amused by the command. "Hurt? Oh no, not hurt." It crouched before Peter, tilting its head in a mockery of kindness. "I'm just taking what I need." One clawed hand rose and pressed lightly against Peter's chest, right over his heart. Peter gasped, his knees buckling. Ethan rushed forward, but the air between him and the beast seemed to thicken, slowing him down. When the claw withdrew, Peter slumped to the floor, breathing but pale, his lips trembling. "What did you do?" Ethan demanded, kneeling beside him. The beast's smile was slow, satisfied. "I took a little fear. It's delicious, makes me stronger. I could take courage or hope or even memories, if you'd prefer. Humans are full of such useful things." It stepped past Ethan, the cold of its presence making his skin prickle. And in that moment, Ethan understood. This creature didn't just eat. It hollowed people out from the inside, stealing what made them themselves. And it was his fault it was here. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more exciting stories.